What's up, guys? You've seen some of my last content talking about crypto, talking about Dogecoin, talking about all that craziness. Guess what? Am I changed, man? Stay tuned and find out. I'm all about opportunity. You should be too. You know what? There's opportunity in crypto, in Dogecoin, in Bitcoin, in Cardano, in the bunch of other ones I'll go over another time. But the thing is this. I am a skeptic, hoping and praying that I'm wrong. There's so many pitfalls and dangers when you have a new technology and something so powerful and potentially encroaching on the power of the government as crypto. Not only that, as with any disruption, there's going to be mostly failed companies, like 90, 95, 99%. So most of these coins, I would say 99% of these coins are going to be dead. The only reason I am following this, again, to capture some upside, and also I have the time and expertise to do some trading. Bottom line, the market is going to collapse. I don't know when, but I believe very soon. This year, probably the first half of this year. And when it collapses, like I've been saying, I'm going to be consistent with that. When it does collapse, everything will collapse with it. All asset classes, stocks, gold, real estate, and every single coin out there, every single one, good to bad, the biggest meaning Bitcoin, Ethereum, to all the little guys as well. It's going to happen. My plan is to run up as much profits from crypto, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything, actually specifically like Dogecoin, Cardano, LinkChain, and a few others like you know Uniswap. You guys know all these, all the bigger name ones, and I want to stick with mostly the bigger name ones. And I do have some smaller plays with the smaller, some new stuff coming out. But the my main focus of trading will be the larger cap, more popular cryptocurrencies. Anyways, I'll be doing that to get money for the investments in the stocks, in the stock market when it collapses. And when it does collapse, I'm going to be focusing on two main things. That's TLT, which is bonds, the long dated bonds, 20, 30 year long dated bonds, and SQQQ. There's going to be massive opportunities when the market turns. But if you haven't watched some of the older videos, every single asset class collapsed during the March of 2020 due to, you guys know what, due to the health crisis. But there was one asset class that did freaking awesome, and that was bonds, because bonds are the safe haven. Everyone runs to bonds and the US dollar when all hell breaks loose. And guess what? When this collapse finally kicks off, they're going to be running to bonds. They're not going to be running to gold. Trust me. They're not going to be running to the Bitcoin. They're not going to, of course, not going to be running to stocks. Everybody will be looking for safety, and that is bonds and the US dollar. It's very, very opposite and contrarian to what's happening right now, but that's how the big guys like it. They like everyone to be on one side of the trade while they take this side, then wipe everybody else out. And that's about to happen, because right now we're already seeing signs of a bottom in the US dollar and more interest in bonds. And guess who else is buying bonds? Who? The US government. With unlimited amount of money. They're pumping at least $120 billion in bond purchases to keep the interest rates low. Because what's happening? They own so much money. They can't allow interest rates to go up, because their servicing of their debt will just collapse the whole system. But even though interest rates are low, they could even go lower. And I'm going to make a prediction. Short-term interest rates may go negative. And I will present information this week. So I'm not saying go into SQQQ like I did too early, okay? I'm okay. But I went in a little bit early. Now, I'm not saying to go into TLT right now. I am saying get those lined up and keep your eye on them. Because when the time hits, when the time is right, take your money, pile it in there, because you're going to make insane profits. Now, I'm going to actually show you when the thing happens, when all hell breaks loose. I'm going to be showing you what exactly I'm doing, so you can join me on this massive come up. So please, right now, like, subscribe, follow, because guess what? Game on, baby. I love you guys. Let's go.